Hi everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa ating Facebook Live. Ako si Ms. Murdia, Student Consultant ng ICSA. And today, sasagutin natin ang pinakamadalas na tanong tungkol sa Diploma in Health and Social Caregiver course. So kung interesado kang magtrabaho abroad, mag-migrate, or simply upgrade your skills, this live is for you. Stay tuned. Una sa lahat, ano ba ang Diploma in Health and Social Caregiver course? It is an international recognized caregiver course na certified by Ofqual, the qualification regulator sa UK. Kaya legit, globally accepted at may big weight sa iyong credential. Ilang units or credits ang makukuha? You can choose between 60 or 120 credits. Depende sa level na kukunin mo. This makes useful whether gusto mo magtrabaho abroad or ipagpatuloy ang studies mo. Pwede ba itong gamitin for migration or work abroad? Yes. Pwede mo siyang ipa-evaluate sa WES or sa ECA, lalo na kung target mo ang Canada, plus pwede rin ipa-authenticate sa DFA for overseas employment. Para kanino ba ito? For aspiring caregivers, professionals na gustong mag-shift into healthcare, or kahit sino na gustong magkaroon ng international qualification. Like wala ka pang experience, pwede ka na magsimula. Gaano katagal at paano mag-enroll? Depende sa level. Usually, it takes 9 to 18 months. The best part, available siya online or kahit nasa bahay ka, pwede kang mag-aral or enrollment, just comment interested or send us message and we'll guide you step by step. So if you're serious about upgrading your career and preparing for opportunities abroad, now is the best time. Comment interested below or message us directly to reserve your slot. Remember, limited slot lang ang in-offer per batch. This diploma is more than just a certificate. It's your passport to global opportunities. Thank you so much for joining me live today. Ako si Ms. Maria, student consultant ng ICSA, and I can't wait to see you in class soon.